I've been buying wreck cars for about 20 years. I've helped a lot of people with them, buying them, fixing them, and I get asked a lot of questions. So I'm just going to make some how-to videos on how to pick a good car, uh, low mile, older, something that'll last a long time but not cost a lot of money. So the car behind me is actually my 12-year-old son's, and we bought it together and rebuilt it. And I'm going to do some short videos on teach you how to do it too. Go to your location. It's going to give you all of the vehicles at that location. I always search for older cars. So 2000 to 2012. Put that in there. Gives you 1555, which is too many to weed through. So I like low miles. So we got 80,000 mile car. Put 100 to start. Gives us 43 to look at. And these change weekly. They get new cars every week. So I'm looking for a nice car, low miles, a little older. Like this one, 19,000 miles. That seems crazy. Probably a typo. So how you check that? Click on it. You go to the pictures. It's going to give you a dash picture somewhere. Yeah, see, that one's a typo. 196,000 miles. So let's back up. And just looking for an easy to rebuild one. This one looks like a candidate. It's a headlight, fender, bumper's probably savable, door's probably savable, tires obviously, but that's easy. Mileage is accurate. Crazy cheap. It's a 2011. I like it. It's a good option. Let's look for parts. This is how I find the range of parts. car-part.com. Put your year. 2011. Go make. Scroll down to Subaru Forester. Put in, we know it needs a fender. And a 226, which is Bellingham. So while that's loading, here we go. We need a right-hand fender. So this is going to give us a part search. Got all sorts of parts on here. And if you want to go through here, you can try to find the right color and buy them on here. A lot of times I use this just for identifying what years interchange. So 2013 is the highest shown there. Then you got, let's see, we're looking for the lowest. So 9 is the lowest. So 2009 through 2013 is the year range. Now to find your cheapest parts, you go to pick and pull. So we will check inventory. We are looking Subaru Foresters. So put that in, Subaru, Forester. Arlington's the closest one. They're 98223. And then we'll go 100-mile range from Arlington. Just gives us our options. All right, so Arlington is showing they have one, but we got lots of other within 100 miles. So Linwood has 2, Tacoma has 4, Tumwater has 4. So you got all those vehicle options at Pick and Pull within 100 miles. Pick and Pull parts are really cheap and they give you the proper documentation. So that's how I choose a cheap car.